Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you Minecraft 0.12.2. Inside of it we have redstone. Yeah, we had redstone. You just break it here. Just break. Is it the this is the repeater. So this is it, the most incredible thing in Minecraft PC, and I just grabbed TNT. There, here, and put this, and just put lever and boom. That was awesome. Not so awesome. So we go back. This is the Minecraft 0.12.2 mod. To use this mod, especially Minecraft, who want to wait for Minecraft? No, it's lagging a little bit, but it's fine. It's fine. Allah is killing me. Return to normal. So today, Minecraft Pocket Edition, gonna show you. Lagging. Fever. One. I think it's P. Let's see. Pressure plate. What is this? I don't know. I think pressure plate did not have in here. Yeah. We have this and this and view button. We have button. I think that's it. No. There are many. There are red. STON. And here. You have a here. So, another thing. You have to search door. It is in our world. We just put like that, and just put piston. Just put. Oh, it's working. Oh God. Oh yeah. So this is how you do the management. But when you put the redstone here, put this, it never will work. And you put over there. So like that. Let's try its work. I just put there. I just right. Okay, let's test like here maybe. Just put it there. And just put the bottom. Let's put this on it. And just pull it. Okay, it's pulling. Pulling. Like that. So this is how you do your Minecraft. When you put like this on top of another, you just one, just one. But when you put this button, can I just tap it like that? I think you cannot. Yeah, I think I can, right? So just grab this and just place it for here and just do and just oh yeah, it's work. So you can make like that, and you can place your ender and just open it. Oh, what the pressure plate? I don't think I have the pressure plate. Let's see, we can make STONE stone. Oh yeah, the pressure plate. This is the pressure plate. So it's just like a button, but when you just move, you can just do new in my. So this is new in Minecraft Pocket Edition. It will be released something another time. This is the lever, and this is you can just push. So that's new. So another thing you can you just just now you can let's say I grab this and just take it and you put this wrong tab, just wrong, just put there and just put a lever and boom, it will just over there, like just gonna just there, you never got. But when you put a stinker piston, oh no, wrong, very wrong. So don't worry, I think I have here, I just put here and put here, maybe like this. Okay, maybe two like that. Another one piston right here. No, not like that piston. I think I got the wrong. No, not. Can I just speed mining? Can I just speed the mining? Can I just okay. Put here and just put there, and I just bring it on like this. Just put there from here. Just can put here and go down. Can I go down? Can I just here? Yeah, okay. Can do like that. And you put it there, and I put there, and just push that and push that. You just activate and just like that, and you push it back. I think it's good. No. Forget it. Okay, the thing is not this anymore. So you can just push and back. And they might push here. So I think we're just gonna on it like this, and let's see we can just grab this. So put So like here, I think it's not a problem, right? So like that and like that. And I put this here. Just put it. Come on, bro. Come on. Come on. Put here. And just tap it like that. And I pull this up like that. I just go. No, not like that. No. Oh. Will be so annoying. Okay, like that I think, and just roll this up here. Over there, I'll just put a lever and just press it. But it will be a leg. It's new, so this will never work properly. So I just put this here and just put this one up, can just do that. So I think that's it. The more incredible Minecraft Pocket Edition mod. So oh yeah, a new one. This is the pressure plate, the heavy one. I don't know what is this. What in the name of Thor? Hopper. Really? Hopper. What is inside of it? Nothing. So the new one is this pressure plate, heavy pressure plate. You put Ender in front of it. This is the problem. You can just press and just like that. Or you can just so let's change. I think I want to enchant this one. Okay, I just enchanted it now. Just place it. So I think that's it for today. So thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe for more video and more update. See you next time. Goodbye. Yeah, bro. Goodbye. And please subscribe for more video and more update of Minecraft 0.13 or Minecraft 1.0.